So, the AI implementation was brilliantly complex. Dozens of integrations, predictive features anticipating user needs, and custom workflows for every edge case. The team was proud until users started complaining. Every time there was a new language model update, and let's face it, there are plenty of those all the time, it required screenfuls of integrations to adjust. The system had become an AI maintenance nightmare, so complex that the idea of developing another AI just to manage the mess started to look like a really good idea. What happened? And how can you prevent this from happening to you? Well, they built it because they could, not because they should. With AI accelerating implementation speed, teams face a new challenge, resisting the temptation to build everything possible instead of focusing on what's actually needed. That's why the agile principle of simplicity, minimizing the amount of work not done, is more important than ever. AI makes complexity look effortless. It is a magnificent scaling agent. An AI assistant can generate entire code bases in seconds. An LLM can produce massive specifications with a single prompt. Suddenly, the traditional constraints that kept scope under control, time, expertise, and resources, seem to disappear. That's an illusion. Every added feature comes with hidden costs. Each decision point, integration, and customization doesn't just add complexity, it multiplies it. Even with AI handling implementation, these decisions create higher maintenance requirements, increased error potential, harder troubleshooting, and slower value delivery. Take automation platforms like Make.com or N8N. AI assisted development makes it tempting to build elaborate workflows, dozens of branches, endless integrations, infinite custom logic. However, what starts as a simple automation quickly becomes a maintenance nightmare, not because AI failed, but because unconstrained complexity is always a problem, no matter who or what is implementing it. Always remember the core rules of scaling. First, you can't scale nothing. Second, scaling magnifies both good and bad. You get more of what you already have. And third, the best scaling strategy is often to avoid unnecessary scaling altogether. Just because AI makes integrations effortless doesn't mean we should implement them indiscriminately. AI is a scaling time bomb waiting to explode. Without discipline, it accelerates complexity instead of reducing it. AI's capabilities need to be harnessed within a discipline of simplicity. And that means starting with minimum marketable products. An MMP isn't just about launching quickly, it's about delivering value before adding complexity. Unlike an MVP, a minimum viable product, which is focused on learning, an MMP is laser focused on providing meaningful value with the smallest possible feature set. Using AI to implement an MMP first gives you faster delivery, getting real value in front of users sooner, better feedback, letting actual usage shape future decisions, and a stable foundation. So enhancements are based on evidence, not assumptions. This aligns with the agile principle of undercommitting and over-delivering. Build only what meets clear acceptance criteria, then either enhance over time or move on to the next highest value work. Maintaining this discipline requires conscious effort, especially with AI tools that make it so easy to lose ourselves, like kids in a candy store. Here's how to maintain the focus needed to sustainable success. Define clear desired outcomes before engaging AI. Use AI to enhance your strategy, not to create it on the fly. Set explicit constraints, performance, maintainability, security before generating solutions. Write your acceptance criteria that focuses on outcomes, not features. Features should serve a purpose, not just exist without a purpose that solves a customer need. Conduct regular complexity checks. If something doesn't directly contribute to the goal, question its necessity and factor in long term costs. Just because AI can implement something effortlessly doesn't mean maintaining it will be effortless, even if AI helps you to do it. A team implementing a customer service AI can use this approach successfully. Instead of building every possible automation up front, they identify three core capabilities that can process a majority of the increase. After launching, They leverage real usage data before deciding on any enhancements. This approach avoids wasted effort, just focused high value AI implementation, so that we need to get started. The simplicity principle isn't about limiting innovation, it's about directing it. AI makes implementation easier. Yes, that is true. And the real challenge is making sure we only implement what truly matters. Yes, as quickly as possible, just what truly matters. So here's a question. How's your team balancing AI's capabilities with the discipline of simplicity? Are you focusing on what truly matters, or are you getting tempted by what's possible and the speed of doing it? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your experiences. And if you'd like to learn more about undercommitting and over delivering, click one of these. I'll be happy to tell you all about it.